In late May 2016, a work group was erecting a steel structure when a tragic incident occurred. One worker lost his life and another worker was slightly injured. A 5.7-ton steel roofing beam, rigged with two 5-ton slings, was lifted by a tower crane to a height of 13 metres. The rigging configuration, known as a single wrap choke with shackle, was used. Packing was placed between the rigging slings and the steel surface. A mobile elevated working platform, MEWP, was used to move two workers into position to bolt the steel beam to the structure. The MEWP should have been positioned to the side of the beam. However, the operator had positioned the man basket under the suspended load. The beam then fell to the ground. This incident resulted in the fatality of the operator, who had been crushed between the beam and the MEWP controls. The other worker sustained minor injuries. The area had been correctly barricaded, which prevented anyone else from being injured. The site emergency plan was activated. What were the main contributing factors in this tragic incident? How could it have been avoided? The MEWP should not have been positioned with the man basket under the suspended load. Additionally, the MEWP with the two workers in the basket should not have been raised while the suspended load was still in motion. The MEWP should have been positioned to the side of the beam until the suspended load had reached its final position. A double wrap rigging method would have avoided or minimized slip of the sling. All lifting equipment must be visually inspected by the work group supervisor before any work commences. What are the key learnings from this, and what risk reduction activities are needed to prevent similar incidents? Understand and follow the method statement and risk assessment, and never work, stand or cross underneath a suspended load. When working at height, especially with heavy equipment such as MEWPs, the area below must have correct barricading and warning signs, and the area must be observed by a supervisor or dedicated watchman. Let's not wait for another incident to occur. Stop unsafe behaviour in the workplace. Always ensure safe conditions before you start work. Your personal safety and the safety of your colleagues is always the first priority. Be safe, not sorry.